Come on out.
Oh god, I don't think I'm coming out. I'm stuck. I think I Oh shit! Not one of my better ideas. But yeah, ain't coming out this way.
Feet first. That's how you. That's the way you got in, I guess.
Alright, give me a pillow and blanket. I'm just sleeping back here.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a ginger in the port.
Seriously, how do I get in? I really think I'm stuck. Ew! Butt's too big. I just pooted too.
Oh, this
Shit!
I don't think you can say that on YouTube. Let's see how long it takes to get out.
I'll take that. Jeff, your wall is not smaller. Oh, there we go.
You got both legs out.
Yeah.
Show the world your ass. There you go. How'd you like it back there?
It sounded pretty loud.